how long they last, when you should inspect them, and when to replace them. If you don't do it on time, you may be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. You may destroy your engine. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a car and you want to know how often to change serpentine belt, guys. Check this belt out. It's done, it's snapped, we'll explain it, what mileage that happened, how long they last, when you should inspect them, and when to replace them. If you don't do it on time, you may be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. You may destroy your engine. We'll explain why. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys if you need to buy any parts, tools, belts, tensioners, anything at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So with that being said, let's talk about that now. We'll demonstrate on 2 different engines why the serpentine belt is super important. Newer, for instance, BMWs, guys, they use electric coolant pumps, so if the belt snaps, you will not overheat your engine because the coolant pump, the water pump, is actually driven by electric motor. But the things that will not work will be the AC compressor and the alternator. AC, you can probably live without it, but the alternator, if it's not charging the battery, you have only limited amount of time that you can drive your car without the belt. And all of a sudden the car can die, which can lead to accidents, loss of brakes, loss of power steering. So we have a special video that explains how long I can drive without serpentine belt. Check it out, it will teach you about that. Now, on this one here, guys, it's a 2018 Dodge Challenger, for instance. The serpentine belt drives multiple components, and one of those is the water pump as well. That's the water pump here. If that belt snaps, water pump will not be turning, and if you're not paying attention, in just a few seconds, minutes, you can destroy your engine by overheating it. So it's very important, guys, to make sure that you actually change these belts on time. Use good quality belts. I'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy good belts for a good price, quick shipping. Check out the link in the description of the video below. So when you should change them, these cars specifically, guys, we're second owners, so I want to show you, if I go inside, how many miles is on that one when it just snapped. It snapped yesterday. So I'm going to turn the ignition switch on, zoom in a little bit so you can see 107,000 miles, and the belt snapped, guys, right? You can see just like that, 107,000 miles. How long you're supposed to wait until you replace them? According to the Continentals, and they're really good belts, okay, you should inspect them at 60,000 miles and replace them at 90,000 miles. Now, I usually do not go more than 60,000-70,000 miles, especially if you live in a hot climate, because when it's hot, that belt practically bakes here, and that rubber turns really hard, and you're using the air conditioner more, so there is more stress on the belt. So definitely, guys, I recommend 60,000 to 70,000 miles, because even though they give it 90,000 miles, and we had a Continental in the car, ours snapped at 107. That's not much later. So 9 years it lasted, and 107,000 miles. Hopefully the video will be helpful, guys, to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.